This section introduces basic teacher-student interaction techniques, including how a teacher can push various material pages to students, and how students can edit, save, and submit those pages. Open Sample File E01. After clicking the Start Lesson and students have connected, click the Push button on the right side of the Teaching Tools area and select this Page button. When students receive the page, they can click on the page icon to open the editing screen. They can use the toolbar on the right to write and make notes on the page. After clicking the Save button to exit the editing screen, a personal note will appear in the lesson history area for future use. The teacher can then switch to the next page and click the Push button again, this time selecting Push Page with Objects button. When students receive this page, they can click it to open an editing screen with movable objects. They can then move and manipulate the objects as instructed by the task. After completing the task, they click the Save button to return to the lesson history area. Next, the teacher can switch to the tangram page and click the Work Collections or Tasks button. Select Picture button to open the task window, then click Push and choose Push Page with Objects button. This makes the tangram pieces on the students' tablets movable objects. Students can click on the tangram task to open the editing screen. They can then drag, rotate, and resize the objects to complete the task. After clicking the Submit button, their work is sent to the teacher and appears in the lesson history area. The teacher can view the submitted works, enlarge them by clicking, or paste them back onto the page. Next, the teacher can switch to the following page and click the Push button, selecting Push Page with Objects button to push a page with a hyperlink to the students. When a student receives the page, they can open the editing screen and click on the video hyperlink to see the URL. Clicking the URL will play the video. By mastering these interaction techniques, you can apply them to various classroom strategies to make your lessons more engaging.